Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. What year this car is? What year your car is?
2011
2011
Fx35 Infiniti.
Fx35 Infiniti. Okay, we're gonna check this car here. The ABS module was replaced. You see right now you have a check engine light on, and we have the key. Key is not a problem, but let's see what's going on. Everything. Clear it, reset it. Before you have a code for ABS, right?
Huh?
Before you have a ABS computer code, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna say okay. So I'm gonna get yes.
I mean,
Diagnose,
what you
yes.
talking about the last time you worked on the car?
What is car? No, why you change that module?
Module?
The computer, that why you change it?
The one what we just put in? Because all the sign them was up, like it was grumbling. When you turn off the engine, it's sounding still.
Oh, it make noise.
So it's going. I feel like it's going to burn the battery out.
Yeah, like it never stop.
All night, yeah. So that's what I changed it.
Okay, let me see now. We have ABS. We have 3 fault. Okay, let me see the report. Engine, you have 5 faults. Okay, we have vehicle speed sensor is a pass. You have vehicle speed sensor.
What you say?
I say we have a vehicle speed sensor. We have track. We have communication, ECM backup, transmission. We have vehicle speed. Okay, ABS, voltage, battery, engine signal, brake fluid level. Yeah, because they thump it. Air pressure, vehicle speed signal, error 4 times. All this I don't know. We change, so we're gonna change everything. Vehicle speed. Okay. Steering control relay off, starter relay off, all mode off. All this because of sensor harness open, circuit left rear, 32 times. Sensor harness open, control
Always
left
open.
rear. Those all this related to the ABS, but I don't wanna say this is a problem. We're gonna delete everything, clear it. If it's collecting other stuff, then we can take it serious. Because before everything is upside down, we don't know what happened. So I'm gonna save this stuff. Save as a PDF. Infiniti. I'm gonna save it. Okay. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna escape. Let me reset everything. Quick erase everything. You hear the noise?
What you say?
Okay. I'm gonna clear everything and then we see what happened. System test. Everything pass. ABS. We're gonna do the steering angle adjuster. Now I'm programming it. Adjusting is complete. Success. Okay, no quotes. No quotes. Now everything is like somebody just come from operation. He's in a rehab. He don't know even how to walk. So now you clean, nothing in there. So now you're gonna drive, you're gonna feel, you're gonna tell us if after 1 day, 2 day, I am not gonna be here tomorrow. After tomorrow, I will be out for spiritual. Now I will come back Monday. If you have anything, I will read anything you collect and compare it with the past information I have, and then I will give you an idea of what's going on.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing I can tell you. And that, other than that, I can tell you be safe and also drive, because you just change it. You change the ABS control module. The behavior of this, how, I'm not sure, so drive slowly and be safe. Till next time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video.